Hi guys, George from Cyprus Insight, and today we're at Apostolos Andreas Monastery. It's just behind me. Just going to feed this donkey before I go round. On the way down guys, there is the donkey sanctuary. This whole area is the donkey sanctuary. So before you come down here, don't forget to visit a supermarket and pick up a few kilos of carrots for the donkeys. Okay, and look out for the video of the donkey sanctuary guys. So this whole area guys is undergoing renovation. It's been totally restored. So the restoration's been financed by the church guys, Church of Cyprus, and FCAF administration, and also US aid guys. So there's a partnership going on between these three to restore this whole area. So the whole project will probably cost over 5 million guys, and it's the Church of Cyprus has donated 2.5 million, FCAF another 2.5 million, and several thousands by the US aid. So there you are. Okay, it's not finished yet, but we'll show you that as we go round. I think this donkey's waiting for a carrot. Would you like a carrot? There you are. There's a carrot for you. Right, let's carry on through and have a look around, shall we? Now there's the monastery. You can see where it's been restored here, and that balcony. See, they've used everything's original. Can you see? They've replaced the balcony with original wood from local forests. And we'll go inside, shall we? It's open. We're lucky enough and it's open. We did come down years ago and it wasn't open guys, and now it's open. Here, can you see the wood taken from the local forests? We'll go inside, shall we? Right, and you can pick up a candle and light a candle for anyone that's passed away guys. You can light a candle for them. Right, there we are. And if you want to make a donation, you just put some money in here guys. Okay, donations here. Beautiful old icons. And then if we go down into the beautiful monastery, down to the beautiful look at these pews everywhere, isn't it lovely? Looks like we've got a new floor, look, all new marble, and the altar's been restored. Look, can you see? There we are. So there's the priest over there, and if you want guys, you can give him a name of your beloved past ones and he will bless them. Let's go down towards the water's edge, shall we? So this is where St Andrews was shipwrecked, out there somewhere, guys. There's lots of rocks, look, all around the area, so it's quite possible. And as he came ashore, guys, his staff hit the ground and a well turned up with holy water, and I think the well's down there somewhere. There we are, we'll go and have a look at the well. Right, we're looking for the holy water now, aren't we, or the holy well. And this is where the captain of the ship came and put some holy water on his bad eye, and lo and behold, he was cured. Fantastic. I wonder if it do me knee any good. We'll go and have a look, see if we can splash my knee around with some holy water. You never know. Now I think the holy well is down there. We'll go down there and have a look, and I think that's the original little chapel that was built at first. Then the monastery came along. We'll go down there in a minute, but in the meantime there's a conveniently located bench here. There it is, with a view over the sea. What's that? What are they doing down there? Oh, some fishing going on with their dog. Kids in the sea. This monastery became a place of pilgrimage in 1895. This lady was looking for her long lost child that was taken from her. One day she was asleep and she dreamt of St Andrew coming to see her, and St Andrew told her to come to this place and she'd find her long lost son. So the lady took a ship, guys, across the sea to come to this place to find her long lost son. And on the way to this place, she'll tell fellow passengers of her story of a long lost son. And this priest, one of the passengers, was very intrigued, and he asked her, did your son have any distinguished marks? So she said, yes, indeed he did. So she told him of the marks, and he showed her the marks, and they were exactly the same, and mother and child were reunited, and then this place became a place of pilgrimage. So guys, when I was about 4 years old, we did live over here, and up to this age I didn't speak a word, not a word out of my mouth. And my mum was a bit worried, so she thought she'd come down here if he would give me a voice. And I came down here, guys, true story, came down here, and my mum took me to the little monastery and lit a candle and what have you, and asked the saint if he could give me a voice. So we got back on the bus, guys, back to the village. Look out for the video of Eos Andronikos. And then when we got off the bus, guys, my older brother was waiting for us. I pointed at him and said, Johnny, and I never shut up since. So there you are, guys. Now I'm still looking out for the well. I think the well was about here, around about here, and I think that's the original church. Can you make out the side entrance? Look, there's the side entrance there, and over these steps is the original altar. I'll show you that as we go up. There, can you see it? There's the dome bit. There we are. I think it's been partly restored, or something's done to it in the past, guys, to hold it up, because there's reinforced metal there. I don't think they had reinforced metal then. And there's the little window. There you are. There's the roof of the original church just here, and the monastery behind. So we'll work our way down. Oh, looks like we found the well. Let's go down. Found the well. Oh, there you are. Oh, it looks like we can get some holy water bottled up. There it is. We'll go down. Oh look, there's a cafe and a little restaurant up there, so you can get some refreshments. Oh, here's the well, look. Down here. Well, it would be down here, wouldn't it? This is where St Andrew would have come ashore, wouldn't he? Shipwreck somewhere around here on these rocks. There we are. There's the holy water, and it's coming through a tap at the moment. Oh, the crew's gonna do my knee. Got a bad knee. Oh, feels nice. Ooh. Oh, that's much better. Oh, lovely. A little bit more. There we are. Oh wow, guys, I'm gonna climb up these steps in about 30 seconds. There's some stalls on the side, guys, if you want to buy some souvenirs. There we are. Orange juice, €1. Fresh orange juice. There's a little cafe. There we are, some handicrafts by the looks of it. Yep. There we are. And there's the eye, guys. Look, the eye keeps the devil away. Don't think it keeps the donkeys away. Can you see the bell tower? That's really finished. Totally restored, that bit, and the top half. There's all the stalls, guys, where you can get your souvenirs. Right. Let's go back through. Hello. There's the priest. Some more icons, guys. Now you can light these if you like. There we are. They're like little floating candles. I'll show you one here, look. There we are. And that's floating in the olive oil. Right, let's go through to the back of the monastery. Around here. And we've got some information, guys, of how the monastery is slowly being restored. Here we are. And there's the plans. You know, all the plans, the original plans drawn out. South Arcade, the main church. That's where we are at the moment, the South Arcade. And there's the old church, look. There we are. It looks like we've got an artist at work there. He's putting gold leaf around the altar. There's more architect drawings. What we got here then? Oh, here's the bell tower covered in scaffolding. There, that's all gone, that's all done now. Looks like the outbuildings, and they're covered in scaffolding. We'll go and have a look at them in a minute. There we are, that's an outbuilding there as well, that's the inside. There's the actual church, covered in scaffolding as well, but now it's not. Looks like it's all been restored. Look at this, this is all new stonework, look, all brand new arches here. We've got brand new hardwood floor at the top. And I guess that's accommodation for the priests. When we were in the supermarket, we did come across some local Turkish Cypriots buying some carrots as well. Not only a sacred place for Greek Cypriots, but also for Turkish Cypriots. And here we are, we can see the workmen here, a Greek Cypriot and a Turkish Cypriot. And this monastery, it says, represents tolerance and mutual respect between Greek Cypriots and Turkish Cypriots. Well, what a great motto. Absolutely fantastic. Right, we'll go around the side because I want to show you some bits that have not been restored. There, can you see this here on the side? I think this is accommodation. Not sure. We can go up these wobbly steps. I'm sure they're fine. They're made of concrete. They're not going to collapse. Well, let's go around the back, shall we? Do a bit of urban exploring. Yep. That's our friend over there who we saw in the supermarket buying carrots. Looks like donkeys know he's got more carrots in his car. Right, here we are. Can you see the old roof beams? And I showed you earlier the new roof beams, very similar. Local wood. Looks like they'll probably take them down. Replace those. There's the old sandstone. Our original floor, look at this. Look. Let's go round and have a look. Yeah, that's the new roof. Can you see, guys, with this beautiful sandstone, brand new sandstone on the south wing of the church. Just there. Right, lots more work to be done. Look at these doors, all need taking down and restoring. You can see the roof beams from here and these planks of wood and across. And we've seen this sort of ceiling before, guys, when we've gone into some villages and looked at some government buildings and churches and schools. You see. Right, let's carry on through. There's loads of accommodation up there, guys. That's where the pilgrims would stay. And the donkeys nowadays, I suppose. So it's free to visit this place. Loads of car parking space. So we'll go and have a refreshing drink, guys, at this little cafe at the end. There's one right down towards the seafront. We'll take this one here. Have a little cold drink. Guys, if you come down here without cat food, there's quite a lot of cats around here, and this chap will sell you some cat food. There we are. There's the cat food, guys. Look. There we are. Oh dear, here we go. So he's going to feed the cats. What a nice chap. There we are.
Here you can feed the cat.
So you can feed the cats, guys, even if you've forgotten your cat food. This just €2 a can. There we are. And all the proceeds goes towards more cat food, of course, guys, because this guy feeds the cats as well as the priests over there. And if you really fancy something special, he might squeeze some orange juice for you,
Fresh pressed.
and he'll press it in this little place. Look, there we are. Just going to show you for now. There we are, lovely fresh orange. There it goes. And that is just, guys, €1 a cup fresh orange juice. There we are. I'm just going to show you. There you go. And he'll fill that right up for you for just €1, guys. That's all. So thank you very much, Belcan, for that refreshing drink.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. So there we are, guys, the beautiful monastery of Apostolos Andreas. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.